from Abu Dhabi and 9 years old. I have learned and grown miles and beyond in my coding and AI skills with Clever. The most recent program of Day of AI, an initiative by MIT Rise, was outstanding. It was comprehensive and very interactive. The trainer was patiently explaining all the concepts and gave us varied tasks to understand the same. It was fun and engaging program, and the videos were also shared with us for revision. I enjoyed the ChatGPT session and building the object classifier project on the MIT app. I look forward to more intensive sessions to further